Shalom, all my brother and sister in Christ. You know, earlier I made long video explain it, yeah, but not recording. So must be the enemy don't like what I'm telling you. Could be it's true. Who knows? Could be very right. We do not know, you know. But anyway, in order to be prepared, I would like to warn you again about this rapture time frame and higher rapture alert. I explained you already, yeah. That my previous video, I think a couple weeks ago, regarding that time frame with Christmas season and Hanukkah festival. But another one kind of close, yeah. Also, other than this year, Hanukkah festival will start on December 25th, just right on Christmas Day, and last until January 2nd, 2025. But another one, okay, in the year 2027, start on Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2027, and will end this Hanukkah festival until January 1st, or right on New Year's Eve, 2028. Alright, that's very significant. The year 2027. It doesn't matter Christmas Eve, not right December 25th on Christmas Day. The reason why, there are many time zones in the several countries, in many countries, all the countries all over the world. Christmas Eve in United States, but in the part of the other part of the world, already on Christmas Day, okay? Especially in Southeast Asia, they have 12 hours ahead compared in America. And in Europe and even in Middle East, including Jerusalem, Israel, 7 hours ahead, yeah, compared in time zone in America. So, Christmas Eve also significant, yeah, for the time frame. Very, very significant. Alright? So, the year 2027 is very significant. Other than that, Jesus, yeah, was Jesus started his ministry, okay, in 27 AD. No, a lot of Bible scholarship, yeah, they have to give time frame from 26 AD to 28 AD. But the 27 AD just right in the middle, okay? Just right in the middle. I explained you already, yeah, in my previous video about that. But I would like to pause this time, yeah, the link, yeah, like this one. Here I show you. Okay, the link for this one. Hold on, this is about the Bible. Let's see if I can find it. Daniel chapter 9 and that one. This one. Yeah, this link. Okay, the chronology of Jesus' public ministry. You can read it yourself. I don't have to read all. Yeah, like my video I made before this. Yeah, kind of long. I think almost 1/2 hour. Like my last video, I think. But if you want to understand, yeah, the information, you can read by yourself or visit the link, or you can pause this video to read it again, yeah, like this one. Okay, this you can see from Luke chapter 4. Jesus Christ started his ministry on acceptable year of the Lord. Acceptable year of the Lord is Jubilee year. Acceptable year of the Lord also mentioned in Isaiah chapter 61, when the bridegroom or Jesus Christ himself met with the bride. Yeah, the bride itself is the bride of Christ or the rapture saint. In acceptable year of the Lord too. Okay, there are many dreams and vision mentioned about the rapture event start or happen in Jubilee year, other than during Christmas and Hanukkah season. Okay, very particular dream, yeah. She saw the big giant Christmas tree in the church named Jubilee Church, something like that. That very interesting vision. Yeah. So yeah, this according to Luke chapter 4, yeah, related with when the reign of Tiberius Caesar, Pontius Pilate, yeah, and the 15 years of the reign of Tiberius Caesar, and the time when Jesus Christ was started, yeah, he started ministry. Before, I told in my other video, yeah, counting that Jubilee year when Israelis, yeah, entered the Canaan land with that year, but not accurate. The one more accurate, if we see, yeah, kind of more close, when the time Jesus Christ started his ministry, rather than by the time Israel, yeah, entered the Canaan land or promised land. So Jesus Christ entered Jesus Christ started his ministry during that or in the Jubilee year or acceptable year of the Lord. And we counting it from that 27 AD, right between when the time frame from 26 to 28 AD. This is what I see. What I believe, yeah, Jesus Christ started his ministry during that Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement, or by the end of September. Because why? That Jubilee year, they announce it on Yom Kippur. If you understand, read it in Leviticus chapter 25. Okay, I believe the end September. If the end September Jesus Christ started his ministry in the year 27 AD, yeah, and then his ministry lasts for 3.5 years and ended by March, or the end of March or spring during Passover week when he was crucified and died on the cross. That during Passover week in March, but 3.5 years later, so in 31 AD. Alright? 31 AD. Okay, I will explain you more about that. Okay, later on. But I would like to tell you, yeah, what will happen, yeah, in America first. Okay, keep in mind, and I told you many times already, the 2 total solar eclipses all across America. The first one, August 21st, 2017. And the second one is coming up this year, April 8, 2024. These solar eclipses will mark, yeah, letter X all across America. The sign from heaven or God himself. This meaning the judgment will come to America this year, 2024, more in the reality. Yeah? Just right in the same year when this sign with letter X from these two total solar eclipses, okay, in the same year when during that election year, US presidential election. In fact, yeah, during that midterm election 2 years ago, in the year 2022, midterm election only, not including presidential election. There are another significant also, the sign in heaven. I think the super blue moon on November 6th or something like that, 2022, I'm pretty sure. Let me check, yeah. Let me see if I can Google it, yeah. Hold on. What month, yeah? Let me see. Super blue moon or what, yeah? Super blue moon. Just right on that midterm election. Kinda interesting, November 6, ya, just right the midterm election in Amerika itu. November 2022. Let me see. Super blue moon. Is correct, ya? See? A total lunar eclipse or super blue moon. Hold on. I made a mistake. A total lunar eclipse occurred on Tuesday, November 8, 2022. See? Just right on midterm election on November 8, yeah. The southern limb of the moon passed through the center of the Earth's shadow. See, just right on November 8th, just right on midterm election. This is sign from God also, other than these two total solar eclipses all across America. This total lunar eclipse. Alright, in the year 2022. What kind of moon? Full beaver moon. Full beaver moon, yeah? Sun shines bright above all Aquila, Italy. Okay. Okay. Back to here, yeah? What will happen in America during this election year, this year? You see, in that 4 years ago, in the year 2020, that man-made pestilence started, and the lockdown, and people have to wear face nappy or face diaper muscles, yeah, and take this poisonous test and hokey pokey magic potion. They mandated in the year 2020 and lockdown. They claim at that time this toxic virus come from the animal bat, yeah, the black bird animal bat, like vampire bird, that starting in China. What I heard, the one is coming up, they claim they know already 20 times more dangerous than the first one. That come from the virus in the bat also. The bat, the black bird like vampire, but it's not started in China, started in Thailand. How come almost the same? You know what I mean. We cannot believe what they say, yeah. So they will. I'm not sure. Could be the same lockdown happen, or another this mandatory hockey pocky, and the one on the face. People have to use it or wear it, and the test could be the same thing like the first one. The first round is only the test run, but already happened. A lot of people believe it, and then people who took hockey pocky magic potion, then a lot of people injured and die, and have a lot of people in disability. And now the people who have that problem, they can make accuse that become the more deadly one, the man-made pestilence. That one, the man-made pestilence. So, and the first one, okay, in the year 2020, during that election year, but the coming up, they already announced it, okay? They want to make it this year, the same year, like during their election too. The same year, yeah, for this letter X come from this both total solar eclipses all across America. We will see. They will do the same thing or not. A lot of people follow it again or not. Because many people just don't believe it anymore. You see what will happen. We will see. So, from this thing, yeah, and could be also, yeah, talking about this election, they're going to cancel it. They tell already this very filthy rich people, satanists, globalists, yeah. They tell us right in front of us already, no election. And also that they want to create chaos in America and civil war. Civil war, they have also the predictive programming in the movie. They have that already. Okay? And the other movie, they have cyber attack movie. The player is Julia Roberts, one of the player. About cyber attack and EMP attack, electromagnetic pulse attack, or like power grid or something like that, yeah. Do you think happen before the rapture? It could, maybe just short or not long time. Long time right after the rapture event, because so many disaster from the earthquake, okay, massive natural disaster, volcano, and war, yeah, like nuclear war. I believe nuclear war started on World War III started, yeah, will start at the same time with the rapture, because many prophetic dreams and vision mention when the bomb go off and then the rapture go up. Okay, so with the all disaster could be can create that EMP attack, and also the cyber attack from this natural disaster. If they want to man-made attack like that, could be they claim from the enemy like Russia and China, okay, in fact from these people themselves or inside job, who knows. So this attack they want to make like that. I don't think will happen before the rapture, because in the Bible said mentioned, when the time people still drinking, eating, be marrying, and be happy, still plenty food, and still enough money and water, when the Jesus coming, and the rapture of the church, second coming, no. Most of the world already get destroyed. No food, no much water, and a lot of people already died. Majority the people in the world died. Maybe only several 100,000 maybe, or what? How many 100,000 people left over, the ones still who survive from that 7 year tribulation, horrible time. So how many people? And no much food, no water, nobody were drinking, eating, be marrying. So Jesus coming, second coming, not like that. That Jesus during that rapture event, only the people who saw Jesus, people who get raptured, who see Jesus, people who, during second coming, everybody who will see him. Many of them mourning because they know they will get judgment. They are placed in hell or lake of the fire. Okay? So, talking about this again, yeah. Okay? The election year. What will happen, yeah? Could be many terrorist attack from that Islamic terrorist attack. They claim. In the reality, that Islamic jihadist terrorists, that not just created by this radical Muslim, number one, who fund them, who create the organization from inside job or government themselves, especially from Western and America, could be some of them from Israel government itself. Okay, Zionists, in fact, it's not about religious people. It's about their organization to create chaos, okay, and terrorism to Palestinian and the other, and Israelis themselves. Okay, enemy can use Israel, even though they are a God-chosen people, to create from this Jews themselves, who create this evil organization, okay, to make people prejudice toward them. Not because I'm anti-Semitism, because they're still a God-chosen people. They still have to face God's judgment during 7 year tribulation or Jacob trouble. God still not finished yet with Israel. Okay, Israel still his people, God's people, because during that millennial kingdom with Jesus Christ, in the New Jerusalem, okay, to build his kingdom, Israel's kingdom, like his promise already to Israel, to the Jews. The new king, the king itself, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Jesus Christ himself, and the kingdom during his millennial kingdom for 1,000 years. Alright? So, he's still not done. Even though there are many, the just bad people too. Every nation, every people, there have some good people, some people, the bad one. It doesn't matter their religion. Okay? Of course, religion cannot save you. Only can save us, Jesus Christ himself. So, talking about this, election year again. Okay? They already said the election will be cancelled. Okay, could be from all this terrorist attack in the countries, yeah. Okay, and could be also maybe short that cyber attack thing, the man-made cyber attack, or power grid off, or could be from this man-made pestilence. They will make another this man-made pestilence and with the lockdown stuff, and more or so from the assassination on Trump, because many end time dreams and vision talk about Trump get killed or get assassinated. Okay, could be can cause that chaos or civil war in America because of that, and also to cancel the election. I believe Trump could win it again for this to run this election, even though the one who against him and the same from Republican, Nikki Haley, something like that, her name, yeah. I believe he is more popular, even though he's a deceiver too. Okay, he's deceiver Trump. He's the same, it's still in the same coin like creepy Biden. Okay, so then many, they already give a hint also, even in the predictive programming like Simpson cartoon, yeah. Trump got assassinated, stuff like that. In prophetic dreams and vision, his bodyguard who killed him. Could be also like I got the revelation from God in the same year, election year 2020, that they claim who killed Trump is the terrorist, Islamic terrorist. Could be that they use as Islamic terrorist as the scapegoat. Okay, in reality, his bodyguard who killed him, the order from Satanist globalists can create that chaos, I believe during that Christmas season too, because one dream, another person, mention about seesaw ginger cookies, when that happened, that event happened, could be also during Christmas, when happened about Trump. So that's why the U.S. presidential election will be cancelled. Yeah, could happen this year. We will see happen this year or not. And then, yeah, will happen since no election. The pretending president like creepy Biden, he will continue stay in the fake White House. You know, a lot of people know already he is not the real president like last time in the year 2020. The election was rigged, yeah? Okay? Not real, but they do that on purpose anyway. They do that on purpose during inauguration, not in the same, suppose in the time, yeah? Not in the usual place, yeah? They kind of like a different place could be what I heard, yeah? So to make this not legal, that's why he is a illegitimate president, what I heard, about his Joe Biden. So the real president, in fact, Trump. The thing is, all United States president are selected, most of them, not elected by American themselves. Okay, so Joe Biden never live in the White House. He's not legitimate president. Okay, he never stay in the White House. Well, what they show about him in the White House, in the fake White House, or in the studio. Oh, talking about this other predictive programming. Last summer I heard. Okay, the dancing in the White House, and they claim for the Christmas party or event in the year 2023. That the dancing story talking about a president was killed or was assassinated. See, they already show us, they told us. They're planning it. This person is no other than Trump himself. Okay? And then what other predictive programming? I will tell you again later. So after this election cancel, and then Joe Biden become president, or pretending president, and then what I heard, and the other dreams and vision, many, several of those. He will die because not clear. Some of them maybe she interpreted, yeah. He died because his illness, his old age. What I heard, okay, he has dementia or maybe Parkinson's, yeah. He had a tumor, brain tumor before in the past. Old age or die from illness, something like that. Could be also another thing. How come they're planning like that? The next president after Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, because show in the predictive programming in the Simpson cartoon, okay, a woman named Lisa, she's a United States president, okay, wear the wore purple suit and pearl necklace, okay, that's kind of not something coincident. They already they show to the people, okay, during that inauguration day with Joe Biden, Kamala Harris wore the same purple suit and pearl necklace, the same outfit like Lisa in the Simpson cartoon as a United States president, Lisa. So in the future, Kamala Harris will become pretending United States president like Joe Biden. After Joe Biden died, yeah, claim from his illness. Could be also they kill him, who knows? Not just they will kill Trump, yeah, they kill Joe Biden because they don't need him anymore. Not just he died from his illness, who knows? Either one, yeah. Because many of the people, yeah, important who involved with this Satanist globalists, like the first Junior Bush, yeah, okay, George Bush Junior, he did not die from old age. What I heard, he got they executed him. The same thing like Jeffrey Epstein. You know, I'm talking about Jeffrey Epstein. He not die from commit suicide. The same thing with John McCain. And also many celebrities, because many of celebrities themselves are Satanist worshipper, Satanist globalist puppet. They don't need them anymore. They can kill them or make them as a sacrifices for Satan. All right. So could be also from that. So what I see, and then after Kamala Harris, what I heard, one prophetic dream. What I heard, Kamala Harris will die also. Because what? I do not do the research yet, yeah. Whether it's true or not, this prophetic dream, yeah. Other people will have the same dream or not. We will see. So after that, Obama will be back on the office, yeah, or dictator will finish it America. He will destroy America and become dictator. Yeah. He become, to deceive people, to believe he is the Antichrist himself. Okay, I know a lot of many Christians, yeah, they have been have dreams and vision about the Obama is the Antichrist. I think they only misinterpreted. I don't think Obama the Antichrist. He is just evil person who possessed by Satan. Okay, to destroy America, to kill a lot of people, persecute people, just like a Hitler or whatever, yeah, bad person. Okay, he's very, very evil. He is only to distract people from the the Antichrist. Because the Antichrist, yeah, when he come the first time, after Jesus Christ open the first seal, yeah, according to Revelation chapter 6. The Antichrist, the one who rides the white horse. So he will appear on the scene. At first, he's acting like the Messiah, the Savior of the world. He be nice, very charming, and he will deceive people with a lot of good word, preaching like the preacher, at the church or pastor, or look like Jesus Christ himself, pretending, yeah. What I know, the Antichrist, according to Daniel chapter 11, he is a Jew because according to Daniel chapter 11, he doesn't know the God of his fathers. His fathers is Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Okay, they are a Jew, patriots of Jew. So the Antichrist a Jew. He doesn't know the God of his father. His God is the God of force. The God of force, one of those is Allah or Muslim God. I believe this could be his Muslim, even though he's a Jew. Yeah, he's a Muslim. He's from Syria. Because according to Daniel chapter 9, yeah, the Antichrist, the people who destroy the second temple, the same temple Jesus prophesied about the end time in Matthew chapter 24. That temple was destroyed in 70 AD by General Titus from Rome. Even though some of them are Roman people who destroy it, majority come from Syria. Yeah, Syria, the neighbors country of Israel. In reality, Syria is the part of Israel too, according to biblical Old Testament Bible. Okay, so he's from Syria because the people of the prince, according to Daniel chapter 9, is the one who destroyed the second temple and destroyed Jerusalem, the sanctuary, the holy city in Jerusalem. So the people of the prince, the people himself is Syria, the battalion, according to the history, majority of them from Syria, not from Rome. So the Antichrist himself from Syria. He's a Jew. He's a Muslim. So he's not Obama. Obama only to distract people from the truth, the Antichrist. When he become bad, dictator, he's kill a lot of people, he's persecute a lot of people, destroy the country. The Antichrist still charming, good. Yeah, he of course is good looking. A lot of many dreams and vision mention he's look like a Middle Eastern. He's still young. Okay, another proof. The Antichrist not Obama. He will deceive people. Charming, looking good, and he will claim himself as a God, according to 2 Thessalonians 2, by mid-great tribulation. So he will show his true color after proclaim himself as a God and reign from the third temple or tribulation temple. 3.5 years later, after 7 years tribulation or Jacob trouble starting. So the first 3.5 years, Obama will appear to look like the Antichrist. And then the true Antichrist by mid-great tribulation or abomination desolation. Okay? So then the Obama. But there are the dreams and vision. I'm not sure could be before the rapture or after. Similar like if a lot of bomb explosion or the war, similar like a lot of victims, what happened in America, okay, and then Obama kind of sad to hear that. It's kind of very weird, he's the evil person, especially during that 7 years tribulation. But yes, there are another prophetic vision mentioned about that. Okay, what will happen in America? So, okay, that Obama. So at first, what I told you earlier, what will happen in America, the election could be cancelled because the one I told you, terrorist attack, not just, okay, September 11 attack looks very small compared this major or several terrorist attack in America, okay, false flag or something like that, they will put blame or become scapegoat is Islamic terrorists or jihadists, okay. Another thing because the man-made pestilence, another one because the assassination on Trump. After that, because of that, the pretending President Joe Biden stays still there, okay, in the office, and then because he died, Kamala Harris replaced him, and then Obama appear again. We will see, we will witness this as including the rapture saints, or the bride of Christ will be still here in the rapture. So the rapture not happened yet. We will see that event first. All right, and then, okay, that what will happen. Okay, like I told you earlier. So that's why the year 2024 is less likely the rapture could happen. But we're still watching all the time. Okay, so what happened the year 2027? How come? Other than the timing for the Christmas and the Hanukkah festival in the year 2027, like I told you earlier, or my other video before this one. The Christmas and Hanukkah festival will start on Christmas Eve 2027 and will end right on New Year's Day, January 1st, 2028. Kind of significant just right on New Year's Day also, yeah. That Hanukkah festival will end in the year 2027. And also the timing when Jesus Christ started his ministry, yeah. Okay, like I told you already, the link earlier, yeah. According to Luke chapter 4, Jesus started his ministry in the acceptable year of the Lord, or Jubilee year, in 27 AD. And 40 times Jubilee year, yeah, 40 is a significant number. Like when Israel is entering the Canaan or the Promised Land, takes 40 years. And Jesus Christ fasted, yeah, or fasting for 40 days before Satan attacked him with a lot of temptation. That he's fasting for 40 days. 40 times 50 years, and for Jubilee year is 2000 years. Or 2 days in God's time, while in our time, yeah, human time is 2000 years. 2 days for God's time, yeah. According to 2 Peter 3 verse 8 to 9. 27 AD in 2000 years later, yeah. 27 plus 2000 is 2027. Is the Jubilee year, or the 40th of Jubilee year after 27 AD. Okay, Jesus Christ was crucified and died on the cross 3.5 years later after his ministry. So bring up the year 21 AD. Okay, so Jesus Christ started his ministry sometime in September, or during Yom Kippur or the Day of Atonement, when they proclaim for the Jubilee year, according to Leviticus chapter 25, starting at the end September, something like that, in 27 AD. And then 3.5 years later, exactly 3.5 years later, he was crucified, yeah, on the cross during Passover week, or Passover feast, yeah, by the end of March in the year 21 AD. Okay, Jesus Christ was crucified and died on the cross 3.5 years later after his ministry in 31 AD. And 2000 years later, 31 plus 2000 years is the year 2031. The year when mid-Great Tribulation, or when the Antichrist proclaimed himself as God or abomination of desolation. According to 2 Thessalonians 2, verse 4 to 6, or 3.5 years later after 7 years tribulation. Started by the end. Could be, yeah, I'm telling you, 7 years tribulation could be started at the end 2027, or a few months later in 2028. The reason why, okay, I would like to explain you in Daniel chapter 9, 24 to 27, yeah. Hold on, where is this? Here, okay. You see again. Okay, the reason why a lot of Christians don't pay attention about this one. I'm counting. Okay, about Jesus started ministry in Jubilee year, or acceptable year of the Lord. Okay, they're very clear in Luke chapter 4 mention about that, and also Matthew chapter 4, I'm pretty sure. Acceptable year of the Lord. They're more accurate rather than we counting. Before in my other video I mentioned about Jubilee year started when Israel entered the Canaan land or the promised land. But very clear in Bible mention about Jesus Christ started his ministry in his inacceptable year of the Lord or Jubilee year. Okay, when we see that 27 AD seems like accurate time, yeah, plus 2000 years later, 2027, when this rapture event could take place. You see, related with this time frame, yeah, 3.5 years later, like I mentioned earlier, 31 AD, when Jesus was crucified and died on the cross. So plus 2000, the year 2031, okay, 31 during that, when the time abomination of desolation, or when the time the Antichrist proclaimed himself as God in third temple. He will reign in the third temple in Jerusalem. Here very clear here said, okay, after 62 weeks, yeah, or 62 weeks, okay, 62 times 7, 14 to 434 years. Okay, Messiah got cut off, but not for himself. Jesus Christ, BB, was crucified and died on the cross, cut off. Yeah, and then talking about the Antichrist, the people of the prince who destroyed the second temple. The prince himself is the Antichrist. So we counting after Jesus Christ was crucified, and then the Antichrist who will claim himself as God. Okay, here very clear here, say here. Okay, in the midst of the week, yeah, in the middle of 7 years tribulation, he shall cause the sacrifice, yeah, animal sacrifice, something like that, in the third temple, and oblation to kiss, and then his abomination of desolation. He will claim himself as God and demand people to worship him and take his mark according to Revelation chapter 13. Okay, so the Messiah, the Jesus Christ himself was cut off, yeah, or he died on the cross, and then during that mid of 7 years tribulation, the Antichrist will show his true color. He will demand people to worship him and take his mark. He claimed himself as God, okay? And okay, if that could happen. The rapture event could happen by the end of the year 2027. Then, okay, when the destruction happen, the same time with the rapture, big destruction because natural disaster and the war, what I heard many end times dreams and vision mention about when the bomb explosion and the war and nuclear happen, and then the rapture saint go up, okay, go to heaven. So when there's a lot of victim, people die, stuff like that, chaos in the world, and also those who died in Christ, yeah, the resurrected saint during the rapture event, okay, and the tomb or graveyard, kind of come out of the ground, and also because the earthquake, massive earthquake, there are a lot of disaster happen. Of course, that happen, I'm sure. The power grid off or EMP attack, cyber attack because of that happen, and natural disaster, and also bomb explosion. So that kind of chaos takes several months to can become calm down. Okay, and then the Antichrist appear after Jesus Christ opened the first seal according to Revelation 6. Takes several months to recover. After that, and then the Antichrist will confirm the covenant, sign in that peace treaty. When he signed in that peace treaty, when the time 7 years tribulation will begin. So I think sometime in the year 2028, when 7 years tribulation began. So just saying happen sometime in May. Okay, when he started his covenant, started the 7 years tribulation. After the Antichrist signed that peace treaty. 3.5 years later, just saying after May, yeah. Okay. Still in the year 2031, from the year 2028. 2028, yeah, in the middle of 2028, just saying, yeah. That already half year. So by the end 2031, this is what I see. That mid great tribulation, or when the Antichrist proclaim himself as God and abomination desolation. Okay? This is what I see. So for the last, yeah, yeah, like this. Genesis 6 verse 3. So the Lord said, my spirit will not contend with man forever, for he is mortal. His days shall be 120 years. The flood came exactly 120 years. So we will be 120 jubilees. 120 times 50 years is 6,000 years. Yeah, but the year 2027 is high rapture alert. So yeah, like I mentioned, it happened already about this election, what will happen in America, the leader, the event all over the world, the rapture saint, and the people who will get raptured later on will still be here. We will still see the events. Could be I'm not sure about the civil war. If happen, we will see the civil war in America. That will be very, very bad, yeah. I don't think we'll destroy a lot of too much of the economy and the food supply, stuff like that, yeah. Because Matthew chapter 24 said the rapture event, or Jesus coming for his bride, when happen, people still drinking, be eating, and be marrying, yeah. Because by the end of 7 years tribulation, when the time most of the world already get destroyed, most population already die, yeah. It's not the time be drinking, be marrying, and be eating. Not much food left over or water, yeah. That's not second coming. Be marrying, drinking, be eating, stuff like that, yeah. During that rapture event. Second coming, everybody will see Jesus Christ. Okay? The rapture event, only the rapture saint who will see him, and also the resurrected saints. Okay? So this is what we see. So that's why I explain you, yeah. This year, compare the year 2027, yeah. More likely 2027. Other than in the year 2027, the Christmas and Hanukkah festival, yeah. Hanukkah festival start on Christmas Eve and end right on New Year's, January 1st, 2028. Christmas Eve, even on Christmas Eve in America, just saying, the other part of the world already on Christmas Day. The different time between America and Jerusalem and also Middle East, 7 years different. Okay, here in the morning, there already evening in Israel, yeah. But the other part of the world, like especially Southeast Asia, 12 hours different. They're already on Christmas Day, even though on Christmas Eve in America. So still counting that, yeah. It's kinda still interesting to keep an eye for the rapture alert. Even then, until the year 2027. This year also, we still keep looking up, yeah, just in case. But I see, yeah, unlikely. I see what will happen. Okay? We will still have the same president, I think. No matter what. That may create people angry too, yeah. This is what I see. So we still keep looking up, yeah. Our redemption draws near.